This is Dan Padavana with your National Weather Service forecast for Wednesday, November the 18th. A strong cold front is moving at us out of the Great Lakes region, and this cold front will cause winds to increase markedly across upstate New York and portions of northeastern Pennsylvania during the overnight hours and into Thursday morning. We expect winds will remain below advisory criteria. The strongest winds will occur from late this evening through early Thursday morning. Winds will generally be sustained from 15 to 25 miles per hour, with gusts of 30 to 39 miles per hour through the lake plain and on the hilltops, and 20 to 30 miles per hour elsewhere in the valleys. Winds will become light on Thursday afternoon. Here's a map which shows a graphical depiction of where we expect the strongest winds to be. And as you can see, the strongest winds will occur over the higher elevation points of upstate New York and northeastern Pennsylvania, and also back through the lake plain and back into western New York. As a reminder, we invite you to like us on Twitter and on Facebook. And we also encourage you to continuously monitor conditions by keeping up with our National Weather Service forecasts at weather.gov/BGM.